easy from Elementor Addons. In this video, we will discuss how we can add a DropCap in our website. A DropCap is a typographic feature that allows you to add a large stylish initial letter to attract site visitor with the purpose to highlight the content. You surely have seen this drop capital in blogs, news, ebooks, and many e-commerce websites like this. First of all, make sure to download the free version of Elementor Addons by clicking on the link given in the description below. Or you can also watch our video on how to install and activate it. This is a website for car maintenance. Here you see this large capital. This is a DropCap. You see how instantly it attracts us? Now learn with me how I made this. Head over to the backend and in the Elementor sidebar, search DropCap. There it is. Drag the widget over to the right and there we are. This widget contains some default content, but we will customize it shortly. And while the letter that is our DropCap is visually distinct here, we will change it along with the text. Start from the DropCap section in the Content tab. Whatever text you will add in the paragraph option, its first letter will automatically be highlighted as a DropCap. I will just put mine. Alright, here it is. This is in paragraph format. However, we have other options as well. We can make it heading 1, it will then appear like this. Or we can make it heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. And last we have pre-formatted option, but I am selecting the paragraph one. So this is not only for a paragraph, but you can add the DropCap to multiple text format style. Let's move further. In Add Media option, you can choose an image if you want to make your text visually attractive. Click Add Media and select your image. Set all text and title in order to ease viewers and search engines to access the image and click Insert into the post. Here it is. I'm not using it, so let's remove it. Next we have visual option. This is the visual representation of the content, easy to use for non-programmers. But if you are a developer and want to use the text, then select the text option where you can set your content with a different style format using bold, italic, link and other options. But for non-programmers like me, we can also make the text bold, italic and underlined by simply selecting the desired text like this. This is how XPRO care about us. With the next option, you can make the text to list simply by selecting bullet and number list option like this way. Also insert link to your content with this option. Next, click the toggle toolbar. You will see different options here. First, come to the format option where you can set the text to lead paragraph, small, blocked, footer and site. Next, with the strike through option, you can set the desired text of your content like this. I'm not using it. Next, you can place horizontal line in your content. With the color option, you can set the text color as per your website design. I'm setting it to white. Next, with the paste option, you can paste your content from other tools like Microsoft Word. The clear formatting option will remove your own formatting you have done up till now, so I'm not using it. Next, with the alignment option, you can set the text to left, center or right. I am keeping it to left. Plus, you can set the indent by using increase intent and decrease intent option like this. Inside the journal tab, you can style the entire text with alignment, typography and color option. First, come the alignment option where you can select left, center, right and justified option. I am going with the left option. Then comes the typography option. Click it and style entire text. Select family as per your website. I am setting it to Monstrate. Then we can change the text size either using by slider or by setting a value. I do the latter and set it to 15 pixels. With the word option, you can select from the drop-down menu thin, extra, light and other options to make your text visibility stylish. I'm using the normal one. Then with the transform option, you can set the text to uppercase, lowercase, capitalize and normal. I am going with the normal. With the style option, you can make your text normal, oblique. I am keeping it to normal, okay. Then comes the decoration option. With it, you can underline, overline, align to your entire text, but I'm not using it for my content. With the line height option, you can set the space between the lines of the text. So I'm setting it to 25, alright. With the letter spacing option, we can set the space between the letters of the text. To make the text clean, I am setting it to 1.2. Okay, similarly with the word spacing option, we can set the space between the words of the text. I am setting it to 3. Okay, getting back to the style setting, we have the color option. As its name suggests, this option let us choose the color of the letter. So you can set the hash code if you have a specific color you want to use. This is what I do now and set my letter to white. Okay, now let's install our DropCap widget. And when we open it, there are the same options that we have for the text. But if you want to change the DropCap, you can use all of them. Inside typography, set font family. I am setting it to Orbitron. Okay, and then I'm setting size to 77 pixel. Then I'm setting weight to normal and transform to the normal and style to normal. Then decorations to no, I'm not using it for my content. Okay, then I'm setting line height to 71 and letter spacing to 0. Okay, and word spacing to 2.2. Getting back to the styling setting, we have color option and I'm setting it to white. Okay, after it we have a background type option which offers two choices, classic and gradient. If we switch to classic, we can pick the single background color. With the gradient, we can pick the start and the end color of the letter holder. So the start and the end. With the start, set red color and I'm setting end to black. Then I'm setting location for 1 to 4 and for second to 25. Then I'm setting type to linear and angle to 92. Okay, next we have the border type option where we can add a border around our letter. That border can be solid, double, dotted, dash and grouped. I am going to opt for solid. I will set its width to 0 pixel for each side. Perfect. Then I am setting border color to black and border radius to 9 for each side with linked values. Next we have padding option which I am setting 9 for each side with linked values, and next I am setting margin to also 9 for each values with linked values. Okay, alright, that's it. Let's preview it. Okay, this looks so fantastic, right? Hope you learned something new today. If so, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Elementor videos like this. See you in the next video.